So you've heard that you need to create content to be successful in your online business, especially for affiliate marketing, but you don't know how to start or really what to do. Hey, it's Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and in this video, I'm gonna help you get started to give you the exact step-by-step of what you need to do. So stick around. As we dive into the step-by-step guide, I just wanna let you know that our channel is all about teaching you effective marketing strategies, helping you build your online business so that you can create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so that we can help you do that. Now, before you even think about creating content, you really need to know exactly who your audience is, who you're speaking to. That is a precursor to creating any meaningful content. You need to know what these people are looking to accomplish. What is their goal? What is holding them back? What are their fears? And how can you help them? So maybe they're busy moms looking to lose the extra weight that they've packed on, focusing just on their kiddos instead of themselves. Are they people wanting to learn how to create an online income so that they can have more time freedom with their families? Are they trying to cut out processed foods from their diets or cook more meals at home? Or maybe wanting to start homeschooling their children? The possibilities are endless. Now, in order for you to be successful, we also need to debunk a common myth. One thing that often holds people back is thinking that they need to be successful before they start creating content. I totally get it. Frankly, this is what held Todd and I back as well. We were interested in what people were doing online, how they were building businesses online, but we thought that we first had to be successful offline. So we wasted an entire year before someone shook us straight and debunked that idea for us. And trust me, we are very grateful that they did. So please don't waste any more precious time falling into that same trap. You don't need to be super successful or to even be an expert at something. You simply have to be one step ahead of the people you are looking to help. Simply share what's working for you. As you're learning stuff, turn around and share it with your audience. Did you lose your first 5 pounds? Teach them how you did it. Did you cook at home for 1 week straight? What did you learn in that process? Did you create your very first piece of content or even generate your first lead for your business online? Oftentimes, your advice and experience is way more beneficial than a guru's, right? The guru isn't relatable. They want to know how real people like them are doing it, are having success. Now, when sitting down to create some content, obviously the first step is to decide what type of content you are looking to create. So what interests you more? Writing articles, creating videos, or creating podcasts? Personally, we love video because it's really the fastest way to build the know, like, and trust factor with your audience. But podcasting is also really hot right now if you prefer audio to video. So decide on the type of content that you're going to create. Then step number 2, start with the end in mind. How are you going to help people? What is your actual offer? What is the purpose for that piece of content? Virtually every piece of content should have what's called a CTA, or call to action. A call to action is just what you want your audience to do when they're done consuming your content. So do you have a free giveaway that you're gonna offer them, a lead magnet, so that you can start building your email list? Or do you have a webinar that they should register for? Or really, it could be as simple as just telling them to subscribe to your channel. So know what you're going to tell them. And then you're able to figure out what you're gonna talk about to make sure that your content is congruent with whatever that CTA is. So if you're going to offer them free access to an Instagram webinar, then your content should be about Instagram, not Twitter or Facebook. So to begin, write down what your CTA is going to be. Then create a list of possible content ideas that would help your audience that could naturally lead to your CTA. So your favorite detoxing smoothie, how to get in the habit of exercising every day, how to create an Instagram account, a review of homeschooling curriculum. Once you have a list of options, simply decide which ones to do and keep the rest for later. You should always have a list of content ideas ready to go. Keep it handy on your phone or somewhere you can easily access it so that whenever an idea strikes, you can quickly put it down. Now, start creating. If you're just getting started, don't get held up on the nice haves like a video intro, expensive editing software, or even fancy cameras. Starting out, you can simply grab your cell phone, hold it up, and start recording. You can even use a cell phone app like InShot to edit your video a little if you want. Now, understand that where you start creating content, it's not where you're gonna end up. So don't judge yourself against people who've been doing this for a while. When you first get started, it's most important that you're actually just taking action and getting content up. You don't have to understand how to SEO optimize your content. Just create it, upload it, and come up with a title that makes people want to watch it. You can work towards learning more of that technical stuff and structure of your videos ongoing. Right now, it's just important to start taking action. Now, you may need a little more help coming up with specific ideas for creating content. Just click the video in the upper right corner to check out our 8 simple content ideas so that you can start cranking out content. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'd love to have you subscribe because we are here to teach you the most effective strategies to build a successful online business to create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. We'll talk soon.